Everything's Got 'Em by Nilsson off of The Point. It's the first song on the album, and it's written in 1970. I play it capoed up here on the 2nd fret. Everything I say will be relative to the fret, so if I say I'm playing a C, it's gonna look like this, even though that's truly a D. I try to keep the timing at a speed that can stay consistent. It starts with the key of C. What I'm hitting is the C, 4th string, and then moving my finger down to the G note here on the 6th string for the bass. So the melody for this first part is a G, A, and then a C, D, 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 C, E, D, C. And then it pretty much repeats. I just strum up the C for the first 3 notes. And with that, I'm playing my C bass. And then I go to the G bass. When I'm hitting the D twice, and then back to the C bass. And then the G. So slowly in time. The second time through, it starts off similar, but the last 2 parts are a little different. So it's you stay on a full C chord here. So slowly in time, the first part looks like this. And then you walk down to the G chord. This is a C, B, A. The walk down to the G is a C. And you hit a B note for the bass. And the B in the melody. And then you hit an A note in the bass. And an A in the melody. And then the G. With a G chord, the melody is D, 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 B, A, G. And then I just fill in with these bottom G notes. And do it again. And to the C. So this whole first part. Get to the C, I strum out a C and hit strings 4 and 3, and then I start this new pattern. pattern is still doing the C and the G in the bass, and you're hitting a A and a C, and an A and a G. So it's the C chord, 2 notes, sometimes I pick off the A, sometimes I pluck it off. What I'm doing here is not exactly what Nilsson does, but it's the easiest thing I found to sound close enough. This next part, you start off with a C6, which is a C chord with an added A. So it's a C, E, G, A, and then you do a C. And what that is a C chord, and I'm hitting strings 2 and 4, only strings 2 and 4. And then I'm on the 3rd fret, I'm holding both strings 2 and 4. On the 4th fret, I'm holding strings 2 and 4. And then I'm hitting the E string and playing a full C. So this part is... And then he goes to the G chord with an added A, which is G ninth. And then he walks up the 3rd string to the 2nd string. He does it twice, and then do the C6 thing again. And then we go right back to this is the town, these are the people. So the whole C6 part looks like this.